Dear all, welcome to our channel Planet Earth by AdChristian. Let's now quickly see how we can remove duplicate values in Excel. As you can see, I have created two sets of sample data here. There is one single column with multiple values. It has got two duplicate values as well, item 2 and item 4, which are appearing twice. Similarly, I have created one more table with multiple rows and columns, and one row has been repeated. So we want to remove that row. So let's first see how we can remove from here. So let me select the cells. This is the first step where we have to select the range of cells where the duplicate values are there. Then I have to click Data tab. Inside that I have to click Remove Duplicates. And I'm saying OK here because I have already selected the column. It says 2 duplicate values found and removed. 6 unique values remain. You can see that the item 2 and item 4, which were duplicate values, have been removed. So now let's get into this table part. One thing I want to show here is even if one value is different between the two rows, that is, this row has 2 and this row has 4, every other cell is same for the two rows. Excel will not be able to recognize this as duplicate rows. Let us see what it says. So inside data, I am getting into remove duplicates. You can see I have already selected the table. Okay. Now I have selected all the columns, so I am saying OK. It says no duplicate values found. This is because this 4 is here. I am now changing it to 2. Let us see how Excel reacts now. Inside data, I am getting into remove duplicates. And since I have selected all the columns, I am saying OK. It says 1 duplicate value found and removed and 4 unique values remain. What it means is that the entire row has been treated as one value. It was comparing one value with the other. So one value has been removed, 4 values have been retained. This is how we remove duplicate values in Excel. Trust this helps. Thank you. We'll meet some other time again. Subscribe to our channel, please. Bye. Take care.